welcome back to my channel. I hope that your day has gone well, and I hope that you guys have watched my Weight Watchers video. I made chocolate peanut butter banana muffins, and I showed you how to do it, and I left the recipe in the description box so that you can try it on your own. And that is my husband playing Call of Duty, and he has just got shot or something. I don't even know. But I am back. I have a Boxy Charm unboxing for you. I waited for damn ever for this thing to get here. I'm watching everybody else unbox theirs. I'm like, where's mine? Finally, it came. Finally. So I hope the wait was worth it. So let me get to opening this, and I hope everybody's day has been well. I had a good day. I don't know about, you know, the rest of the world, but my day was pretty good. Like I said, I did my first cooking video. I hope everybody likes it. I hope everybody likes it. Oh, I was nervous doing that video. But, alright, there we go. Oh my goodness, look at all that stuff. Wow, Boxy Charm never, ever disappoints me. So, let's see. It is, this month is Boxy Bash. And then on the back, it tells you everything that is in here. So, let's get to let's get to these brushes. Some brushes. Let's see if I can open these doggone things. And again, I'm sorry about the lighting. I hope you guys can see me. Oh my goodness. Easy open this time. I'm surprised. Let's see. Come on. Come on out of there. Just come on out of there. All right. So these are called Aesthetica. Aesthetica. I think that's how you say it. It's a 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye, which I cannot do. I don't look like a cat when I try that. I just know. I don't know what I look like, but it ain't a cat. And it says use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. First you have to have the eyebrows to make them fuller and defined, right? Because I have some, but they're not all mine. But anyway, here's the eyebrow brush. No, that's not the eyebrows. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to a damn thing I say. This is fine-tipped eyeliner brush. That's what that is. See, that's what that is. It's an eyeliner brush. Just what I need, more brushes. But I am happy that Boxy Charm sends the brushes. And then this one is, I have no idea. Oh, well, this is the fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Okay, guys. Oh, what a day it's gonna be. Anyway, that's the fine-tipped eyeliner brush. And this, of course, is the spoolie for your eyebrows. And the other one was the angled oh my Lord, I cannot speak today. Eyeshadow brush. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. And then next is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Eye Gel Eyeliner. I just love this the little leaf on the front there. Isn't that just something? It reminds me of a little inkwell. you know, back in the 1800s or whatever. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. And there on the top, if I can get it just right so you can see it without getting flashed like that. Pretty vulgar. Let's open it up here. Well, it's so dark in here, you're not going to be able to really see it, but there's a gel eyeliner. I'm kind of excited to try that because I have never used gel eyeliner before, so I'm excited about that. Okay, and up next is Cover FX Blurring Primer, and that's this right here. I needed some primer, so I am happy to get this. Happy. And then we have, let's see, P12, again from Aesthetica, P12 face brush. If I can open it. I like that they package these very well, but it's almost like childproof. I can never get into the doggone things, but there's the brush. That's a really nice brush. That's really nice. There's the nice thick brush, nice and soft. Nice and soft. Nice and soft. Feels wonderful. I like that. I like that. That is very soft. That will get a lot of use. Get it back in there. And then we have Han Skincare Lip Gloss. Han Skincare Cosmetics moisturizing lip gloss is formulated with antioxidants, rich argan and acai oil, and infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural sources. Oh, I didn't tell you the prices on these doggone things. I'm just like, This was $15. And the face brush, this face brush, $27. And the gel eyeliner was $24. The 3 brushes was $45. Wow. And the blurring primer is $38. Holy guacamole. That's a lot of money. But anyway, this is the lip gloss. And that's the Han. Let's see. Get all these little tags off of here. And we shall see how this looks. Of course, I just made a mess, so. Wow. That smells, oh my goodness, that smells wonderful. Yummy. What do you think? It's okay. I like it. The color's a little bold. And lastly, I just love Boxy Charm because you know, you got about 95% chance you're getting a palette, and we got a palette. It is called, well, it's from Pure, P-U-R, Pure, and it is the Sculptor palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters. Oh my god, I needed highlighter. And 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So it is hidden, because there's my box and it doesn't look like I have anything left. There it is, the crown jewel. Okay, they always make sure that these are very well taken care of. All right, I'm gonna slide it out of the pack, and then of course there's some more. Very well packaged. Okay, Now what? More tape. Yep, more tape. Good thing I got my scissors. Yeah, they want to make sure that this does not get damaged. I haven't had anything damaged as of yet, but I spoke too soon. Oh, no, no. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. I'm gonna have to send them an email and let them know that my it got broken. Oh, that's so sad. We'll just see how it looks here. But from what I've heard, they have great customer service, so I will email them and see what they say. Put it on my nose. Oh, goodness. Looks like I have a light on the end of my nose. Oh my goodness, everything smells so wonderful. Ah, well. I just look like Rudolph minus the red. Oh my gosh. You see it? It's so bright. Wow. Holy crap, that's bright. Better be careful with that if you get Boxy Charm, because that is bright. Bright, bright, bright. So now my nose is just going to shine the rest of the video. Sorry, guys. But I'm so sad that it's broken. It's crushed. Dang it. Well, we'll just email them and I'll keep you guys posted on what they do. They may very well just send me another one. I am hoping. I'm wondering if I should take a picture and send it to them and show them that it is broken. That's so sad. Oh. It says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. That's what the mirror says. Huh. Oh, I'm so sad that's broken. So there wasn't enough padding in the world to save my palette's life. So I'm going to email Boxy Charm, and from what I heard, they will take care of you. So I hope so. So here is everything that we got this month. I just love all this stuff. I cannot wait to use the blurring and this new ink gel eyeliner. I hope I like it. I wonder how hard it is to get off, though, you know? Those two words, ink, gel, that scares me a little. But anyway, if you don't get Boxy Charm yet, you should really consider getting it. I mean, it's high quality, high end makeup. And if you do your makeup every day, it is well worth the $21 for a month for it. I mean, normally just one item in the box, normally it pays for itself. So I used to get Birchbox and the Ipsy bag, but they hold no comparison to Birchbox or to Boxy Charm, not by any means at all. I don't even get those other ones now because my God, I got Birchbox on the brain. Boxy Charm is the best makeup box out there, hands down. So, if you're just a little bit of a makeup person, maybe Birchbox and Ipsy are probably better for you. But if you do your makeup every day, you know, then I think Boxy Charm is for you. You should give it a try. I'll leave a link down below. I don't get anything for it, but the pleasure of knowing that I have provided someone a path to Boxy Charm. So, if you're not subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? I mean, I just about do damn near everything on this channel, so consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Welcome to the family. We're a crazy family, but it's okay. Some people keep me straight around here. Please give my video a big thumbs up. I need that. Help me out and give me a big thumbs up. That'll let me know if someone's alive down there in the comment section too. The comment section is like crickets sometimes. I see people watch the video, but they don't say hardly anything. But I guess, you know, maybe they're busy. So anyway, that is my video on Boxy Charm in May. This is May already. Oh my goodness. I will keep you posted on what Boxy Charm does about my broken palette. I'm crossing my fingers that they send me a new palette. That would be nice. I mean, I could still use the broken one now. I mean, you know, I'll make it work. But it may be a little hard to use the broken one. I don't know. I'll give it a try, but I'm still going to email them and see what they do. So, I do have 2 Dollar Tree Shop with Me videos coming up, and one tomorrow and one this weekend. And I found some interesting finds. So, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, come and hang out with me every day, and share this video. I would really appreciate it if you shared it. If you're not gonna like it, at least share it. Share it on Facebook, with your friends, wherever you want to share it. So, that is it, y'all. I will see you in another video. Have a good night, y'all.